Hello everybody, Elizabeth here with Country Peony, and I'm so excited to tell you about my next creative workshop. So we're going to be making fabric yo-yos. And if you're not familiar with what a fabric yo-yo is, it's essentially just a scrap of fabric that is sewn together to create this adorable little puff that almost looks like a flower. And so I'm so excited to show you how to make this. Let me tell you a little bit more about this workshop. In this live workshop, I'll walk you through how to make a fabric yo-yo, both with the yo-yo maker tool and the classic hand-sewn method. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crafter, you'll find a method that works for you. We'll also chat about how to choose the right fabric, tips for getting that perfect gather, and fun ideas for what to do with your yo-yos once you've made a bunch. Trust me, you won't want to stop at just one. I'm thinking hair clips, ornaments, quilts, wreaths, garlands, and so much more. So grab your fabric stash and your favorite pair of scissors and join me for some creative fun. I cannot wait to craft with you. Let's get back to grandma crafting or grandma hobbies, which is having a real moment right now. All the details for where to sign up for this workshop are in the description below. I cannot wait to create with you. Until next time, I'll talk to you soon. Thank you guys.